Hi guys, thanks for tuning in again today. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can amp up your conditioner so that you can make sure that your hair stays nice and soft and moisturized during this Harmattan or dry season, or for those of you that don't live in Nigeria, the winter season. But before I get into the video and show you how to make this conditioner, first of all, I would like to ask all of you to please like this video and then subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and also maybe press that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications whenever I post a new video. Now let's get into it. Alright, so I know that the Harmattan season, aka dry season, and for those of you that are not in Nigeria, winter can be really harsh on your hair. The air is really dry, it pulls a lot of moisture out of your hair, and for those of us with naturally dry hair, it can be a really uphill battle to figure out how to keep your hair moisturized and soft and conditioned and retain length during these months. So these are all of the ingredients that I use in order to boost my conditioners during this season and make sure that my hair stays moisturized. So I use a cheapy conditioner. Right now I'm currently using top class conditioner, which I purchased at Prince Ebeno's supermarket. This conditioner was for less than 2,000 naira, and if you don't have this conditioner available to you, you can use VO5 or Suave conditioners. And I think Petals is a pretty good conditioner that's actually available in Nigeria. And then I also use pure almond oil. I love pure almond oil because not only is it great at moisturizing my hair, it actually helps me to retain the length of my hair and strengthen my hair. In addition to that, I love castor oil, and I did a post about my 5 favorite products, and castor oil was there, so I'm going to post that video down below. But it's great for boosting up moisture, especially during this trying time. I also use vitamin E with aloe vera oil because it's just great at making sure my hair stays soft, along with my favorite essential oils. And today I'll be using orange essential oil. I also add in a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in order to cleanse my hair. I don't want to use too much because the focus of this conditioner is to boost moisture rather than cleansing the hair completely. In addition to that, I add in a tablespoon of honey. Honey is a great humectant, which is good at pulling in moisture. Just be careful not to use too much so you don't pull in too much dry air into your hair. In addition to that, I pour in a cup of coconut cream. Coconut cream, is really great for moisturizing your hair, and in addition to that, it's great for strengthening your hair as well. But I cannot leave out the base of the conditioner mix, and that's the cheapy conditioner. You need about a cup of this in order to start off your mix. Alright, once you've poured your conditioner into a container, you're going to add in your apple cider vinegar. And then you're going to add in your honey. After you've poured in the honey, you're going to add 2 capsules of the aloe vera gel. And just stir that mixture around until it's nice and smooth. After that, you'll add a teaspoon of castor oil along with a teaspoon of almond oil. Then you'll mix that around one more time until it's smooth. After that, you're going to pour in your coconut oil. Sorry, I didn't show myself pouring it in. I got too excited. But basically, the coconut oil gives the conditioner a really smooth and rich texture. And you can clearly see that it's thick and will coat your hair amazingly well. So it's introducing a lot of moisture into your hair. I normally make this for about 2 washes or 2 deep conditions, and this is what it should look like once it's done. The texture is just rich and creamy. I normally pour it into a container and I'll store it in the fridge between uses. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.